Good evening, everyone. Today I'm going to be talking about working distance. And for today, we're going to be using a Meiji microscope to help demonstrate. Also going to be looking at how it impacts refractive index. First, I'm going to talk about depth of field using a digital camera, as it'll be easier to understand. And to demonstrate depth of field with a digital camera, we'll be looking at the f-stop adjustments. Simply speaking, a low f-stop will result in more of a depth of field effect than a high f-stop. As for a microscope, it's very similar in that your Z-plane control, which is the coarse and fine focus, will control the working distance, which is like the f-stop. Another thing to be aware of is the working distance when you're working with 100x is going to be a lot smaller than with a 4x. So when you're using immersion media like oil or glycerol, you're going to have a much smaller working distance. Keep in mind, a smaller working distance will lead you to having a smaller depth of field, and that can impact you if you're working with some sick specimens. What does this have to do with immersion media? Well, you have to keep in mind what's in that working distance. It could be air, water, or oil immersion. All those things have different refractive indexes. A refractive index shows how much a medium will distort the light that passes through that type of media. The refractive index of air is different from the refractive index from water, meaning it will impact how your images look and how you're able to see your specimen.